So guys, Uomi, she's not the only one. Anyway, guys, let's get started today. You know the result that has some money pays. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Anyway, guys, on Sunday, Uomi did post a video asking for donation, and people were not happy, saying, "Oh, Uomi, she's always bragging, saying that she's a hardworking woman, she's making money." So people do not understand why she's asking donation. So guys, yesterday again she made a post explaining what really happened. So this is what Uomi posted again on his social media after being dragged for asking donation. "Dear ninjas, I see your love and support. My car, it was not jammed, it was broken into. A strong object was used, and for them to open my car so easily, so disappointing. I will be going to Nissan SA to find out how it works and how to best protect myself going forward. So I will update you guys very soon. Thank you so much, ninjas. I see you. I appreciate you guys." So guys, another person who's going through similar situation, it is Dr. Malenga. So guys, Dr. Malenga, on the same day Uomi posted a video, he also made a post on his Facebook account and said, "They stole my studio equipment at Langa's Restore yesterday. Likely for Dr. Malenga, guys, he did receive his equipment back." So this is what Dr. Malenga posted again at Yena, "Recovering my studio from these guys. I thought they were my friends with my producers. I let everyone record for free. Marashem, I don't trust anyone, guys. That's why my dogs did not bite, because they know them." So guys, likely enough for Dr. Malenga did receive his equipment. So guys,
hallo mense, goeie maandag. Sanibona nidumelang. Redumelisha watu kamuka. Today I come with sad news. My friend Boldly Uomi, who is a podcaster and a YouTuber and a producer, has lost all her equipment. And I'm calling out to anyone and everyone who can assist her, please. At this moment, there are banking details I'm going to put below. This is a hard-working woman, independent woman, very humble, very kind, very helpful. And I pray that we can all do what we can do best in this journey and efforts of making sure that she gets back to production, she gets back to work, and she gets back to her normal day-to-day work, which is content creation. We love you and support you, friend, and I hope